To solve this task, you can use nmcli or nmtui commands. First, let's try using the nmcli command. To create a new Network Manager connection profile, name my profile 1, run. To confirm, run. After creating the profile myprofile1, let's modify its configuration using the nmcli command. To set the IPv4 address, run. To set the IPv4 and IPv6 connection method to manual, run. To set the IPv4 and IPv6 default gateways, run. To set the IPv4 and IPv6 DNS server addresses, run. Note that you can do all IPv4 or IPv6 configurations in the profile created in one line. To set multiple DNS servers, specify them as space-separated and enclosed in quotes. To set the DNS search domain for the IPv4 and IPv6 connection, run. Finally, to activate the connection profile, run. To confirm the new configuration, run. To show addresses assigned to the INF0S8 network interface, run. To confirm the default gateway, run. To confirm the DNS, run. Also, you can ping another server in the same network, for example, server B. If you prefer to use a GUI, you can use the NetworkManager text user interface, which allows you to configure your network interface with a GUI by issuing the nmtui command in the terminal. To configure network settings using the NetworkManager text user interface command, run. With NetworkManager text user interface, you can view and edit network connections, create new connections, activate and deactivate connections, and manage various network settings. Select Edit a connection. Select the interface you want to configure. Select Add, Edit, or Delete. From here, you can switch the IPv4 and IPv6 configuration to the manual mode, then show the IPv4 configuration to add the IPv4 addresses, and define the subnet mask, gateway, DNS servers, and search domains. Select Automatically Connect. After finishing your configuration, select OK and hit Enter. Select Back. Select Activate a connection, then press Enter. Select your interface name, then deactivate it. Reactivate your interface name. Select Back. Finally, select Quit.